If you don't like how it is for you, change it. If it doesn't suit you, change it. If it doesn't please you, change it. If it isn't enough, change it. And I challenge you to do that because you can change. See, you don't ever have to be the same again after tonight, only by choice.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to answer a lot of questions that I've been getting asked. Is like, Jason, how are you able to, get your credit score moving so quickly and process? So this is the first step I did, the very first step. And you guys, it is so simple. Only thing you have to do is just go to annualcreditreport.com. This is where you're going to get all your information that is what's on your credit. Once you get it, only thing I have to do is just really study it, indulge in it, because you might have some errors on there, and that's how you're going to be able to get on the process. See what's on your credit report, not your credit score, your credit report. This one, you're going to get a credit report for all 3 credit bureaus, and it's free every year. Go get it. please go get it, and because you're going to see exactly what's on your credit score and what is needed to be able to get off, what you need to pay off, what's, they probably got to have a lot of mistakes on it, which they do, and that's what people don't understand. So get that, print it out, and like take a couple of days, take a highlighter, make copies of it, and just take a highlighters and mark out things that you can take care of today. Take care of today. And once you go get your credit report and print it out, if you can't print it out, get you like a hard drive and save it to like a floppy not a floppy disk, oh my god, like a flash drive. Get you like a little flash drive and save it on there and keep it for your records, because this is gonna ultimately, this is your paperwork. This is what we looking at. So this is very critical to fixing your credit. Just get your paperwork first, and then once you get your paperwork, then you go get you a credit score monitoring system, a monitoring service, or whoever. You can go to Credit Karma. They actually have a good one. Most of your banks have one. I know I bank with Wells Fargo, and they have a credit score tracker as well. You want to get that. You want to monitor it. Take screenshots. Take screenshots of your score right now, and then write a goal down like, okay, I want a 850 by this date, and just look at your credit report that you got from annualcreditreport.com and get to work, people. You don't have to pay nobody to fix your credit. You can fix your credit your own. But if you do need help fixing your credit, just give me a holler. I'm here to help. My phone number's at the bottom, my website at the bottom. And let's get about this hole, people, because I know I did, man. So if y'all found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright? Peace.